Hello and welcome to the Stamp Camp. I'm Glenda Calkins and it is Thursday night. That means it's time for another one sheet wonder. Tonight I will be using the Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper. This is a 6x6 pack. We are going to create one card using just one sheet from this pack of paper. This paper is gorgeous. Let's change the camera and get started. All right, so this month in my Stamp Camp at Home Card Club kit, club members are receiving the Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper. They get the full 6x6 pack. They also get the full pack of the Pearl Trios and the card kit to create 8 cards, 4 different designs, 2 of each card. Tonight is the last night that you can subscribe and get this month's kit. So if you would like to know more about my Stamp Camp Club, under the video it will say show or more. Click on that and you can see the blog post. Click on the link that will tell you all about my Stamp Camp at Home Card Club. So let's get started. This is the print I'm going to be using tonight. The prints are just gorgeous and I love to create a one sheet wonder that I can use the entire piece, and we are going to do that tonight. The coordinating bundle is the Thoughtful Wishes bundle. It is 10% off this month, so you got till the end of this month to get the bundle at an additional 10% off. If you are in my club, you do not need the bundle to create your club cards, but if you want your sentiments to be identical to mine, then you're going to want to purchase the bundle. So we're going to start out with cutting our card base. It is a little bit different size than what you are used to. It will fit in a legal envelope, or there's other size envelopes. I thought I had one out here and I don't. This is a legal size envelope. It will fit in there, and then there's a smaller one that I use for like my checks, and it will fit in that one as well. So we're going to start out with our card base, which is Mossy Meadow. And we're going to cut this at 6 1/4. 6 1/4. Let's see, that track thing kind of goes right where I need my dimension to be. I believe this is 6 1/4 by 9 1/4. So 6 1/4 by 9 1/4. And then we're going to score this at 1 1/4, 3 1/2, and at 5 3/4. Okay, so that's how we're going to cut our card base. Now we're going to take our Designer Series paper and we're going to cut that at 1 inch. Two inches, 2 inches, which should leave us with 1 inch. So we're going to use the entire piece on our card. I'm also going to need some, I'm going to use basic beige. And let's see, I'm going to need a piece that is 3/4 of an inch by, let's see, 6. So let me cut this to 6. And I need 3/4 of an inch by 6. Or actually, I need, let's see, it's going to go on this piece right here, which is, so I need 1 inch, sorry. So that basic beige, 1 inch by 6. I didn't have that written down. 1 inch by 6, and then I need a piece for the inside which is going to be 2 inches by 6. All right, so that should be all my cutting. So let's start with the card base. The wider part is going to be the inside of your card. So let's get that scored. And then we're just going to kind of go back and forth. So it leaves you with like a tri-panel on the front. Just want to get all of my little score lines so it will open like this. All right. Get that folded down. Now we can start by taking our print, and this I believe was on the left. And then I'm gonna make sure I got my print all matched up here first. Okay. So this is gonna go on the front flap. Okay, then we're going to open it up. And on the inside flap right there, I'm going to put a piece of that basic beige. Or you could just leave it mossy meadow. Okay, we're going to put the next strip in our paper print. Like so. And then we're going to put the next piece. Right. Then we're going to put the piece that we're going to write or stamp a sentiment, and then we're going to end it with our final section. And then when you fold it up, you can see how it kind of unfolds into the scene. Quite pretty. If you put it so that matches up on the inside and switches it out, then you have that panel showing here. And I kind of like the scene showing a little bit better. So you can mix and match around. If you want, put your basic beige on the front instead of here and kind of carry on your pattern. Really, the choice is yours. I kind of like it this way so that when it's closed, you can see the entire, well, it kind of cascades or shows you glimpses of the scene. All right, so we'll see when it's closed and then open it up. So pretty. Now we had some leftover strip here when we cut our first panel or our card base out of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that side strip, we're going to cut it at 1 inch. Let me see here. I'm going to cut it at 1.5 inches. And we are going to create a belly band with it. So I'm going to cut it at 1.5 inches. I'm going to just kind of place it around the center of my card, like so. And then I'm just going to make a mark. I'm going to cut off that much. No science or measurements. just a wrap. So wrap it around, put some of your adhesive right here, and then close that up like so. Should slide good yet. Then I have a piece of that basic beige, and we're going to put that over the front of our band there. First I'm going to stamp using Mossy Meadow ink and the stamp from the stamp set. And I'm just going to stamp that on there. We're going to attach that. I'm going to put lots of adhesive so it holds it all down. We're going to attach that to our belly band like so. And then we'll come in with these gorgeous pearls. Now I think I'm going to go with the pinkish ones to bring out that purple in our scene there. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? Slide that off, unfold your scene, and you have a beautiful scenic card using that full 6x6 sheet of that designer series paper. You can place your belly band anywhere on there that you like, but so pretty, quick and easy, which I like. So again, if you need any of these supplies, please visit my online store. You will find the link under the video, as well as a link to all the products that I use. Click on any of those links and it'll bring you to my online store. If you want to know more about my TheStampCamp at-home card club, there's a link for that under the video as well. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure that you like, share, subscribe. Click on that bell in the upper right-hand corner so you always know when I go live. That is it for tonight. Thanks for stopping by.